People judge you in exactly 7 seconds. Before you even open your mouth, your hair has already told the room if you're a man that they should take seriously or just another guy in the background. If you want to instantly command respect without saying a word, stop getting trendy haircuts. Today I'm breaking down the 6 classiest, most timeless hairstyles for men, what to tell your barber, and exactly how to style them. Hairstyle number 1 is the old money flow. This is a medium length hair at its absolute peak. Think Bradley Cooper, Patrick Dempsey. This hairstyle should remind you of quiet luxury. It's the Italian Amalfi Coast. It says, I take care of myself, but I don't have to try too hard. It doesn't scream for attention, it just naturally gets it. It's perfect if you have slightly wavy or thick hair, and if you don't want it to look stiff. This is how you get it. You tell your barber that you want to keep the length up top and the sides, just texturizing the ends to remove the weight. And to style this, you should not use heavy clays. Because your hair will be longer, you're gonna need healthy hair. So apply a few drops of hydrating argan oil when it's damp, add a few strays of the sea salt spray, and just let it air dry or use a diffuser. The trick here is to make it move naturally. You don't want it to be perfect, just intentional. Next up, we have the 80-20 part. This is one of my personal favorites because it's classy, it's easy to style, and it looks sharp. 80-20 basically just means that you part it 20% of the way in instead of parting your hair all the way to the side on the top. This to me is the ultimate first date or networking event haircut. I like that it works with a suit or with a more casual style. This hairstyle elevates your entire aura. If you have a sharp jawline, this looks great, and it's best for guys with straight or slightly wavy hair. Now to style it, it's pretty simple. You just have to part your hair off center, not all the way to the side, and ask your hairstylist for a scissor cut on the sides, keeping it about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in length on the sides. And then it needs to blend into a longer top. And to style it, you need something with medium to strong hold. You're gonna take a dime-sized amount of the Forte Series styling cream if you want medium hold, or the texture clay if you want complete control and ultimate hold. Now you're just gonna work it through your hair and push it back into the sides with your finger or a brush. And I don't know if you've heard the big news, but now for the first time ever, my brand Forte is available at your local Target. We just launched in Targets nationwide this week. I can't even believe I'm saying this. I'm so excited that you guys get to pick up Forte in person instead of having to wait for shipping and all of that. I started this channel in my basement making gaming videos. So when I launched Forte, I had no idea what I was doing. I just wanted to make products that actually worked and looked good. And now we're sitting on retail shelves competing with these massive legacy brands. It doesn't even feel real. We're fighting these giant brands right now, and I can't do it without your help. So if you've ever learned something from my videos, if my content has helped you in any way, maybe get that job, get that girl, or just feel more confident, please go to your local Target this week and pick up a jar of Forte, take a picture, tag me on Instagram. I wanna see you guys in the aisles. Let's show these big corporations how strong this community really is. And of course, to celebrate, we have to go all out, all right? So I'm gonna fly one of you to New York City on an all expenses paid trip to meet me, to hang out. We have some fun activities planned for you. I'm gonna leave the link to upload your photos in the description below. So thank you, and I hope to bump into you at Target, or I hope to fly you to New York City so we can hang out. So I feel like I owe my career to the next hairstyle on this list, the Modern Quiff. I've done so many videos on this look. If you go back, you're gonna see so many videos, but the absolute pioneer of this look is David Beckham. He absolutely killed it back then with this hairstyle. Many of us tried to copy it. I even showed him the photos when I met him of when I tried to copy it, and we had a good laugh. This hairstyle is for the modern, ambitious man. It shows that you clearly care about your style, but you aren't stuck in the past, and you're intentional with how you present yourself to the world. It's a great hairstyle because it looks good on almost every face shape. The volume on top elongates your face and it makes your jawline look sharper. To get this, you want short sides with a low fade. That works really well. 3 to 4 inches up top, getting longer towards the front. And you're gonna blow dry the front section back and up using a round brush. Lock it in with the Forte texture clay for a high volume matte finish that's gonna hold your hair in place all day while still keeping your hair soft and flexible if you wanna run your fingers through your hair. Honestly, this thing right here, this clay, is like magic. I'm telling you right now, this is our best-selling product for a reason. Coming in at number 4 is the heavyweight champion of classy hair. This is the classic side part. You can't go wrong with it. This is the executive haircut. Think Don Draper from Mad Men or George Clooney, extremely classy. It reminds you of power, authority, a CEO who is always sharp. When you walk into a room with this haircut and a classy outfit, people immediately assume that you're the boss. It's the ultimate boardroom look. It's great for professional environments, weddings, and guys wear suits. If you need to project reliability, precision, this is your cut. Just ask for a short taper on the sides and back, slightly longer up top, and you're gonna want a little bit of that shine and strong hold here. So take a scoop of the Forte pomade, find your natural part, and comb it sharp. This hairstyle is pure money. It will always be a great hairstyle. It's always gonna be on the list here because it's just one of those masculine hairstyles that will never go out of style. Number 5, this is the classic crew cut. I mean, look at Chris Evans playing Captain American. Look at Ryan Reynolds. It screams discipline, athletic, masculinity. This is for the guy who doesn't want any nonsense. It's the haircut of a guy who wakes up at 5 a.m., hits the gym, and gets to work. It's great for guys with strong jawlines because there's nothing to hide it, or great for those guys who want completely zero fuss morning routines. It projects supreme self-assurance. And this is how you get it. You tell your barber you want a mid-fade on the sides and finger length up top, textured. To style this, you want a natural finish. So grab our chrome clay, which by the way looks incredible on those Target shelves right now. Warm it up in your hands until it disappears, and then just rub it through the top for a matte, highly textured finish that's gonna last all day. Hairstyle number 6 is the textured pushback. This is one of the sharpest hairstyles that you can have. Now, you've probably seen slick back hairstyles. You probably know what that is. This to me is the more fun, modern cousin of the slick back, which sometimes just feels a little outdated and flat. The textured pushback is on another level. It's rugged, but wealthy. It's masculine. It's great for guys with straight or wavy hair who hate it when their hair falls flat on their face, but don't want to look like a mobster with fully slicked back hair. For this, you need high hold and natural shine. So you can use our pomade, styling cream, or texture clay. You can actually decide. If you're going for a job interview, for example, make it look neat. But if you're going on a date, you can wear it slightly messier and more fun and modern. This is a versatile haircut. You can style it in many different ways, and that's my favorite thing about this haircut, is that you can style it in multiple ways. Your hair is your silent communicator, so make sure that it's telling the right story. And seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for putting me in the position to be able to say, go get Forte at Target today. Take that picture in the aisle. Tag me. I'm gonna be reposting as many of you as I can. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me over the years, and I'll see you in the next one.